Hi, Habibi here. In my previous video, I placed my camera on my character like somehow I did not place it correctly. So let me enter my nickname here. The camera position is placed here. Right now we don't see any problem if I don't walk, but if I start to walk, I can see my own head like that. Here in the scene view, let me select my camera. Here is the camera. If I start to walk, the camera is somehow behind the head of the character, so I'm going to fix it. Let's open this player character, and instead of placing it here, the camera position object, I will place it somewhere like the spine. Here I will attach it to the head object of the character, and I place it this way. And let me play the game again. I cannot type anything here. Oh, it is not running yet. It's still compiling the script. Okay, 1. Okay, let me try to walk. Hang on, let me choose my camera. Okay, there is my camera, and I'm going to start to walk. Yes, it is good. I'm not seeing my head. It is somehow weird if I can see my back like this, but I say it is okay. I need to adjust the clipping plane of the camera because I can only see the half of my hand. And camera clipping planes for the near, I will reduce it to 0.1. No, 0.2. Okay, 0.2 is good. Alright, I think it is perfect. Now I can see my back part of my head, so I need to reduce it again, 0.15. Oh no, 0.25. yeah, 0.25 is nice, but I still can see this weird part of my head. What about this? Okay, it is cool. Whatever, I think it is fine. Maybe I can place the hang on, 0.27. I think 0.2 is fine, but I need to adjust the camera position. Should be somewhere like here, and the main camera object, the near should be flipping planes, the near should be 0.2. Save. Now let me try it again. It's good, I think. It's good. Okay, what else can I do here? I think that's all. I will continue the videos later, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, it is 8:29 p.m. here, and okay, see you soon. Bye bye.